In this video, let us see about one type of nonlinear data structures, that is trees. What is a tree? A tree is a collection of nodes and edges. In the diagram, you can see 8 on the topmost level. This is considered to be the root of the tree, the root node. It has more number of subtrees that are connected to the root by the edges. As shown in the diagram, the connector line which connects two different nodes in a tree is called the edge. If a tree has n number of nodes, then it has n minus 1 edges. In the tree given, it has 10 nodes and hence it has 9 edges. Now let us see the main terms that will be used while learning about trees. They are root node, parent node, child node, sibling node, leaf node, path node, degree of a node, height of a node or tree, depth of a node or tree, internal and external nodes, proper ancestor and proper descendant. In the example tree given, levels of a tree are represented from 0 starting from the root node and it ends at the leaf nodes. So it goes on in a hierarchical structure so that the levels get increased as they go down. Now let's see about root node. It is a special and a unique node. It gives the reference to the node and it refers to the entire tree. If you get the pointer pointing to the root node, then you can refer to the entire tree where it is located. In the example given, A is the root node of the tree. Using that A node, you can locate the full tree in the database. Next is the parent and child node. Parent node is the immediate predecessor of any node, that is, which occurs previous. In the diagram given below, B is the parent of E and F. A acts as a parent for B, C and D. Likewise, child node is the immediate successor of any node. It occurs next to the node. So here in the diagram, B, C and D are child nodes of node A. E and F are child nodes of B. It goes on like this. And next is sibling and leaf node. Sibling nodes are the nodes which share the same parent. That is, you and your sister or your brother are siblings. You both belong to the same parents. So likewise in this diagram, E and F are sibling nodes who have the common parent B. And the leaf node is also called the terminal node. The terminal node has no children. It will be present at the last node. It has a degree of 0. We'll see what degree is. And here E, H, K, G and D are leaf nodes which has no children. Next, according to it, the leaf nodes will differ. Path node. Path node is the successive edges from source to destination which defines the path of the root to the leaf node. If you consider the path from A to H, from A it will move to B, then to F, then to H. This is the path for reaching H through A. So the intermediate nodes are B and F, which makes it move to H. This is called the path nodes. B and F are path nodes. The degree of a node. The degree of the node is nothing but the number of children a node has. A has 3 children, so the degree of A is 3. And likewise it goes on. For leaf nodes, as there are no children, its degree is 0. You can clearly recognize it using those diagrams. The degree of the node B is 2 and it goes on. Height and depth of a node. Height is the path from the node to leaf node. That is, the height of the tree is defined as the height of the root. So the height of the root is nothing but the height of A node. From A, there are 3 nodes respectively, so height of A is 3. As wise, depth of a node is nothing but the path from the root to the particular node. If you take a node as E, from the root you have 2 levels to pass through, so the depth of the node E is 2. Likewise it goes on, and if you think for the node K, the depth will be 3 and depth of a leaf node is 0. So the non-leafy nodes except the root is the internal nodes. It should have both sides connections. It should have a predecessor and a successor. The external nodes are the leafy nodes. That is, it should not have any successors. It should be located at the last point and it should not have any children. That is called external nodes. That is the leafy nodes. The internal nodes, non-leafy nodes, that is, A does not have both connections, so the root is not considered as an internal node. It is an external node. proper ancestor and proper descendant. For an example, proper is nothing but if nodes are not of equal level, then they are called as proper. Proper ancestor and proper descendant is nothing but they should have their own parents. That is, F will be considered as a proper descendant of B and not a proper descendant of C. It will not be a direct parent. This is what is proper as ancestor and proper descendant. Ancestor is nothing but the parent node and descendant is the child node. Now coming to the types of trees, there are 7 types of trees: binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, red black tree, splay tree, B tree and B plus tree. Let us see them in detail in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video, and do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.